Is there any better breakfast than pancakes? Here's our easy eggless pancake recipe.
The secret to getting the smoothest pancake batter is to sieve all the ingredients.
Now when we make these pancakes, we always start with the dry ingredients first. We've gone first with our flour, then added some baking powder and salt, and then new sugar. We love doing these breakfast recipes, so let us know in the comments below your favourite breakfast foods and subscribe for more recipes.
Now time for the wet ingredients, so add in your oil, your milk and a little bit of vanilla extract.
When you're pouring the milk, just be a little bit careful not to spill it like I did. I was too far away and a bit clumsy. Now time for a bit of a workout. Mix the batter thoroughly until it's smooth using a whisk. It takes about 1 to 2 minutes to do this.
Once the batter is nice and smooth, we're ready to start cooking. The key here is to use a non-stick pan. It'll make your life a lot easier.
You want the pan to be on a low to medium heat and use a ladle to pour the mixture onto the pan. You want to keep cooking until there's bubbles that are formed on the top and they're nice and popped and it looks a little bit dry on the top. Then flip over your pancake and continue to cook for another minute.
Continue cooking the pancakes until all the batter is used up. This recipe should make about 8 pancakes.
The best thing about the stack of pancakes is adding your favourite toppings. We've gone for maple syrup and strawberries, but you can go for whatever you want. We hope you enjoy.